I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Audi A6 jack. Before you begin, ensure your car is on a flat, stable surface. Always place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground to prevent any movement. Remember, safety is paramount. Never rely solely on the jack to support the vehicle. Always use sturdy jack stands before performing any work underneath your car. Your Audi A6 has specific jacking points designed for safe lifting. You will find 4 reinforced sections along the body seam, located near each wheel. Often, there are small, downward-pointing arrow indicators on the side skirts that mark these precise locations. Using a rubber jack pad adapter is highly recommended to protect these points and prevent damage to your vehicle's undercarriage. Once you have identified the correct jacking point, position your jack so its head is centered on the reinforced area. Slowly begin to raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure the jack remains stable. Lift the car just enough to place your jack stand securely under the designated support areas. Gently lower the car until it rests firmly on the jack stands, then give it a slight push to confirm stability. When you are ready to lower the car, first ensure all tools and equipment are clear from underneath. Slowly raise the vehicle slightly with the jack to relieve pressure from the jack stands, then carefully remove the stands. Gradually lower the car completely to the ground. Once the car is fully down, remove the jack and wheel chocks. If you changed a tire, remember to check its pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.